You may not initially give much thought to a bin that holds your garbage, but a well-considered trash can keep your place tidy while also adding to the room. Whether it sneakily slides out of sight or serves as a tasteful accent to the room's aesthetic, quality trash cans take the form and design you need without diminishing the flow of the rooms they inhabit. There are so many styles and features available to make trash day more convenient and won't be something you loathe looking at whenever you're in your kitchen or bathroom. If you're not sure where to start, check out our top picks below, including several we actually use in our own homes. Number 1. Echo 12.4-gallon trash can.
Its motion sensor technology ensures a hands-free experience, allowing the lid to open automatically when it detects movement. This touchless feature is especially convenient when your hands are full, making disposal quick and mess-free. The sensor is highly responsive and ensures the lid opens smoothly and quietly. A standout feature is the removable liner, which simplifies trash bag replacement and keeps the interior of the bin clean. The liner is designed to be durable, making it easy to manage waste without worrying about leaks or mess. With a 47-liter, 12.4-gallon capacity, it's ideal for kitchens, offices, or any space that requires frequent waste disposal. The rectangular shape helps it fit neatly in corners or against walls, maximizing floor space. The EKO Mirage X is not just about functionality, but also about maintaining a tidy, odor-free environment. It's designed to seal tightly when closed, minimizing the escape of unpleasant odors. Additionally, the Trashcan operates on batteries, giving you the freedom to place it anywhere without worrying about power cords.
Number 2. Simplehuman 8-gallon round step trash can.
With a stainless steel exterior and a pedal rated for up to 150,000 presses, this trash can might be the last one you ever need. The 8-gallon size is large enough to handle trash in high-volume areas like the living room and the kitchen without filling up too quickly. While many steel lid trash cans bang close once you lift your foot off the pedal, this can has a silent close feature that slowly lowers the lid without a sound. The cylindrical shape can prevent you from filling up your bags all the way, but pulling it out and redistributing the trash with a shake can help you get a bit more mileage out of each bag. The strong steel pedal means the waste bin is hands-free and is designed to last 150,000 steps. That's more than 20 steps a day for 20 years, and Simplehuman's patented lid chokes technology ensures that the lid closes softly in a smooth, quiet manner.
Number 3. Subekyu 2.4-gallon hanging trash can.
This trash can will quickly and easily free up floor space by hanging from a mount that's easily installed onto any cabinet using either the included adhesive or the over-the-door hook. It's also well suited for home chefs since you can hang it near your cooking station to easily scrape veggie peelings, shells, and other messes off the counter and into the trash. The included mounting tools are very easy to use and the lid does a good job of locking in odors once fixed on top of the can. This trash can is designed to hang conveniently from a kitchen cabinet door or be mounted to the wall, making it perfect for tight spaces or under-the-sink setups. Its small size is ideal for daily food scraps, compostable waste, or bathroom trash, while the lid ensures odors are kept under control. One of the key features is its easy installation, allowing you to hang it securely without drilling or using tools. The wall mount option also provides flexibility, so you can place it wherever it's most convenient. This makes it great for busy kitchens where counter space is at a premium, or as a discreet addition to your bathroom.
Number 4. Sooyee 2.4-gallon rectangular plastic trash can.
With a slim frame and a hatch lid, this trash can fits into small spaces inconspicuously. The modern design seamlessly blends in whether it's placed in your living room or slid in right next to your toilet in the bathroom. The plastic exterior is also a major plus, making cleaning as easy as wiping it down with a paper towel. The hatched lid reduces odor from any discarded items, and the easy press opening makes it perfect for slim spaces where you can't reach down to manually lift the lid up. The trash can's rectangular design is both modern and space-saving, allowing it to fit neatly in corners or along walls. Its cream white color ensures that it blends seamlessly into a variety of interior designs, from minimalist to contemporary. The durable plastic construction is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to move and clean. The smooth surface can be wiped down quickly, ensuring the bin stays hygienic with minimal effort.
Number 5. iTouchless 13.2-gallon step trash can with odor filter system.
This sophisticated trash can has the functionality you'd want: pedal opening, silent closing lid, removable inner bucket, and it includes the major bonus of built-in odor control. It has an Absorbex filter located on the underside of the lid that absorbs trash odors, and customers insist the odor control isn't just marketing hype. Constructed from stainless steel, the Trashcan is not only durable but also fingerprint resistant, ensuring it maintains a clean, polished appearance in any setting. The slim design allows it to fit easily into tight spaces while still offering plenty of room for waste disposal. A key feature of this Trashcan is its soft step pedal, which provides an easy, gentle stepping mechanism for opening the lid. The silent close ensures that the lid shuts quietly, adding a touch of luxury to daily waste disposal.
Number 6. Simplehuman 13-gallon semi-round trash can.
This Trashcan is the all-around best option for a busy household. It has a large capacity, a pedal opening lid that doesn't break easily, and it locks shut so you don't have to worry about pets or kids knocking it over. The dent-resistant plastic is highly durable, and the space-saving design allows you to put it up against the wall in a high-traffic area. Featuring a heavy-duty steel frame, this Trashcan is built for durability and long-term use. The robust frame ensures it stays securely mounted within your cabinet, even with frequent use. Its black finish adds a modern touch and complements various interior styles. The in-cabinet design allows you to maximize floor space while keeping your trash hidden and easily accessible. It fits neatly within standard cabinet doors and is simple to install, making it an ideal choice for those who want to maintain a clean and clutter-free environment. With a 2.6-gallon capacity, this compact Trashcan is perfect for managing everyday waste, and its easy-to-clean design ensures that maintaining hygiene is effortless. The removable inner bucket makes emptying and cleaning simple, while the steel frame adds a layer of sturdiness.
Number 7. Simplehuman 2.6-gallon in-cabinet trash can.
The Simplehuman 50-liter 13-gallon semi-round kitchen step trash can combine style, functionality, and practicality for everyday waste disposal. Its semi-round design allows it to fit neatly against walls or in corners, making it a great space-saving option for kitchens, offices, or other busy areas. Made from durable black plastic, this Trashcan is both lightweight and built to withstand frequent use. The step pedal provides a hands-free, hygienic way to open the lid, while the secure slide lock ensures that curious pets and kids are kept out, preventing messes and accidents. With a generous 50-liter 13-gallon capacity, this Trashcan is perfect for handling the daily waste of a busy household. Its silent close lid ensures that it closes gently and quietly every time, adding a touch of convenience and luxury to your kitchen routine. Whether you're looking for a reliable Trashcan that offers easy access and durability, or one that fits seamlessly into your kitchen decor, the Simplehuman semi-round step trash can is a great option.
Number 8. Rubbermaid 8-gallon open trash can.
This traditional open trash can from Rubbermaid is a simple option if you just need something that is durable and a good value. Open trash cans are helpful for outside or spaces like a workshop, where you won't have to put much food waste in the bin. For this can, bags are held in place by the liner lock system, and integrated handles make it easy to transport. The simple design won't win any beauty contests, but the sturdy plastic and lightweight feel offer long-term value without the cumbersome weight that similarly durable options have. With a 32-quart, 8-gallon capacity, this wastebasket is large enough to handle everyday trash, yet compact enough to fit neatly under desks or in tight spaces. Its open-top design allows for quick and easy disposal of waste, making it a practical choice for busy areas where frequent use is expected. Constructed from durable black plastic, the bin is lightweight yet sturdy enough to withstand daily wear and tear. Its minimalist design blends seamlessly into any setting, offering a discreet and efficient way to manage waste.